Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Shimmers and Polishes. If you are new here, I create eye makeup, nail art, crocheting and DIY videos. Please do take a moment and hit the subscribe button and the bell icon next to it for notification. I upload new videos every Wednesdays and Sundays, and in today's tutorial I'll be showing you how to create this easy gold cut crease eye makeup look, perfect for any wedding or any occasion. So if you're interested, then please keep on watching. For your makeup to last all day long, first we are going to prime our lids. We are going to use Wet n Wild's concealer in the shade medium beige here, and I'm going to blend that well and then set it with Colourpop setting powder in translucent so that it doesn't crease. I'm going to use Morphe into Jaclyn Hill palette, and I'm going to use a shade called Butter as my transition shade, and I'm going to apply that till I'm happy with the color payoff. And the next color that I'm going to use is this color called Chip. It's a beautiful orangey brown shade. I'm going to blend that lower than the previous shade. I'm going to blend that all well. Next, I'm going to use the shade called Jax. It's more of a maroonish brown color, and I'm going to apply that once again in my crease area, and I'm going to blend that well once again. And I'm going to use the same shade on my outer corner as well. Now I'm taking a clean blending brush and I'm going to blend that all in place. I'm going to use the same color again, Jax, and I'm going to apply it on my outer V area. Now with the Wet n Wild's concealer in the shade medium beige, I'm going to cut the crease. I'm just going to go slow and steady with this process. I'm going to use the same shade and I'm going to blend that concealer edges with the eyeshadow so that there are no harsh lines. And for that gold, I'm going to use Faces Sparkle Dust in gold, and I'm going to apply that all over my lid wherever I have that concealer on. Once again, I'm going to take that shade called Chip and I'm going to blend that gold and the other colors well. I'm going to use Sugar's Brow Definer in the shade Cherry Brown, and I'm going to fill in the sparse areas of my brows. As it's the wedding season, I'm going to add a little more sparkle, so I'm going to use Stila's Glitter and Gold in the shade Gold Goddess, and I'm going to apply that over my gold eyeshadow to add a bit of sparkle. And once I'm done with that, I'm going to use the same shades that are in my crease area on a small angle brush, and I'm going to sharpen that crease so that it looks nice and sharpened or crisp. And once I'm done with that, I'm going to use Maybelline's Hyper Glossy liner in black, and I'm going to create a winged liner. I wanted to add more depth on my outer V, so I'm using the shade called Chip from the same palette on a bullet brush, and I'm going to add that. Next, I'm going to use Maybelline Gigi Hadid's Kohl liner in black, and I'm going to line my upper and lower waterline. And I'm going to use the same shades Chip and Jax on my lower waterline as well, so I'm going to smoke that out. And once I'm done with that, I'm going to blend that all out. I'm going to use Maybelline the Balm's Merry Luminizer as my brow bone and inner corner highlight. I'm going to curl my lashes and apply Maybelline's Hyper Curl Volume Express Mascara. You can go ahead and add falsies if you would like to. And this, you guys, is the final look. Very easy gold cut crease with sparkle, perfect for any wedding or any occasion. So if you enjoy watching this tutorial, please don't forget to comment, like, share and subscribe to my channel Shimmers and Polishes, and follow me on Instagram and Facebook as well. There are many videos on my channel related to eye makeup, nail art, crocheting and DIYs. Please don't forget to check that out. And in 2020, guys, please don't forget to support this channel and hit the subscribe button. And until next time, take care. Bye bye.